Well, I just received this today. Very easy to start. All you do is connect propane in and just turn the knob. It has it's igniter, so it start right away. And I'm just want to testing it out, see how warm it is. It's not a very big, good for, I would say, 3 people. And I like about this setup is that you got heat while you're chatting with your friends, and you can cook some, boil some hot water for tea or coffee while you enjoying your company. So I like that setup. It does provide a very efficient heating system for outdoors, especially in the winter. And also you can boil some water for drinks or whatever you need to do. Heat up some tortillas or something. It's not very strong as far as the fire is concerned, but it's definitely gonna boil some water, for low demand type of supply. But other than that, it's great. I like it. It has heating elements, and it has a little bit of a cooking, heating, keeping things warm type of style. Yes, I highly suggest this item. So after about 10 minutes or so, 10-12 minutes or so, you can see the water start to boil. You see there's some steam, and it's good, for a little coffee, a little tea, and then while you're chatting in a campfire or propane fire. But it's not a really a primary cooking system that I would use. I just don't have enough flame, but it's just kind of like good for simmering, good for keeping food warm, slowly, nothing in a rush of oil or something. That would be a good setup. But yeah, other than that, I like it a lot. I'm gonna use it. I love to try it out.